What's up guys, it's Chad here with Greviewz. I'm coming to you from my driveway today. I got something special I'm doing a review on today. But first I'm going to show you what I got. As you guys know, I am on a quest to find the best tire dressing, tire coating on the market, period. I've had many other tire shine and dressings than these ones right here. I've tested probably like 30 in the last couple years. What I'm currently using is what's called Hydrosilix Slick. This right here is a tire coating, and I've got it to last about a month, okay? I want something that lasts more than a month, and I think I may have found the product. I just picked up this kit just recently. It's by dura-coating technology. It's called the dura-dressing tire kit. I'm going to test this out on my wife's van just to see what it's like, and it's claiming it'll last 1 full year. I'm standing in front of my wife's 2018 Honda Odyssey, and I'm doing a test on the dura-coating technology dura-dressing. I just got done doing 5 scrubs on this tire with the Dura Cleaner. Any tire coating, not just dura-dressing, but any tire coating, starting with a oil-free, dirt-free tire is key. Kind of like building a house. If you don't have a good foundation, the house is going to fall down. Alright, see this right here? You can see that there's the grease and oil on this tire. So if I just applied the dura-dressing, it probably would not last that long. It would just come off because it doesn't have the sticking capability if there's oil on the tire still. Alright, I'm going to settle this up and we'll go from there. I've read all the instructions pretty thoroughly. Obviously, that's step 1. Step 2 is the tire cleaner. Pretty much what it's telling you to do is just spray this on pretty liberally onto the tires and use this included scrub brush and just scrub the tires until it seems to you that all the dirt and oil is gone. So we're going to do that and go from there. All off. I don't know if you can see what's actually coming off the tires, but it is a brown yellowy residue, which means I got to clean them once more. To remove all the dirt and oil off the tire. Now it is time to apply dura-dressing. Alright, what you want to do is you want to make sure you shake this up really good. Alright, I think we're ready. Alright, we're going to want to put a small amount onto the foam applicator. Alright. Not sure if the camera is picking this up or not, but the actual dura-dressing product has a milky whitish blue tint to it. So you're going to want to rub this in. You want to do 1 full coat on the whole tire and come back and do a second coat if it needs be. The big important thing is to make sure you roll the vehicle forward or backward. There's about a good foot and a little trough right here that you can never get because it's underneath the tire. So just make sure you guys get that. Dura-dressing is not a greasy, oily, slingy substance you're putting on your tires. Dura-dressing is a dry coating. I mean, these gloves right here I'm wiping, and there's not a bit of oil or grease on these gloves. Okay, that's very good in the long run because it's not going to be slinging up onto your paint. It's been a week and a half, okay, since I applied the dura-dressing to my wife's tire. Okay, it is time for me to wash the wheel and the tire. Okay, I need to get them clean. I've got a nice handful of dirt here. I already tested it here, but I'm doing it again. I'm trying to get the dirt to stick to it to see if it'll do anything when I wash it. But take a look at this, watch. I mean, I had a handful of just soil. Alright, you can see that, yeah, it's stuck a little bit, but it's not actually sticking to the dura-dressing at all. Like, it's a moist, it's wet dirt, it just had rained. This dura-dressing had been through 2 rainstorms, and my wife had driven to and from work in the rain, actively raining, and none of it has come off. So I'm going to go and do a full wash and see if I can get some of this to come off. Now, alright, I got my nice long-haired brush. Alright, just going to do a soap down like I normally would do just to clean the tire. As you can see, I'm not doing anything gently on this. I'm trying to scrub pretty hard on the tire. See if I can get any of this loose. Alright, this is my standard car soap, pH balanced car soap, so I'm not putting any super harmful chemicals on here, but alright, moment of truth. Let's see if any of that came off. Alright, give that a second. Well, I can tell, not sure if you can tell, but I can tell that there's not any part of this dura-dressing that's come off. I know it's hard to tell because it's still wet in the sun, but I mean, it's still shiny dura-dressing on there. So I'm going to try a couple more times and see what I can do. I just completely washed my wheel face and the back. Face and back of the wheel here. I'm going to give the tire another good scrub down just to double check. All right, I'm going to get it up close. I hope you guys can see this, but that tire dressing, the dura-dressing, is still on there. If you see right here, this is just the standard tire that's been blow dried back. But if you can see right here on the edge, the dura-dressing is still on there, and it's still super shiny. All right. Well, this concludes my preliminary portion of the test for the Dura-Coating Technologies dura-dressing kit. I put this thing through normal paces. This thing, the car has been driven in a 55 mile per hour zone. It's been driven in a 70 mile per hour zone. This is my wife's personal vehicle. She drives like a crazy woman all the time, every day. Okay, so I know that there's not been a bit of sling from this dura-dressing. So no sling. It's been on here a week and a half. Dura technology here, Dura-Coating's technology, they're claiming up to 1 year that this will stay on this tire. Okay, a year and a half or a week and a half is nothing compared to what they're claiming. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait. Okay, I'm gonna do a review at 3 months, 6 months, and then all the way to a year, and I'll report back to you guys if this truly lasts that long. So preliminary results, I'm giving this a 2 thumbs up. I'm going to continue to do testing on this. This might be my new favorite go-to tire dressing. Alright, if you like this, please like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want, go out to Dura-Coating Technology and buy you a bottle of this. I guarantee you will not be dissatisfied with it. Alright, have a great week.